What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another week of Standout Vlogs. Before we get started, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification button. We're almost at 200 followers. I am planning a big giveaway when we get to 1,000 followers. I'm going to be doing a lot of unboxings in these upcoming weeks. Each week, I'm going to be pushing out these videos. Again, I have a lot of content stored up. I got a lot of product coming in. And again, we got some big things coming up. This week, I just want to do a quick unboxing and review of some new glasses that I got. Just before this quarantine hit, I was prescribed glasses, and I picked these Gucci glasses up. As you can see, I like them, they look nice. One thing I was finding being stuck at home all the time, that these might be too nice just to be walking around the house in, taking the trash out, doing yard work, etc. So I got online, did some shopping, wanted to find something that was casual. So I found and came upon these Ray-Ban 5228. These aren't new glasses. They've been on the market for a while with a lot of different designs, but they're classic. They are a Ray-Ban staple. And when I went online to try to see people with them actually on, I could not find a video. So that's why I'm doing this video. So if you're coming here, you see that. Again, I hope that I can put some perspective on this that you can't find anywhere else. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unbox these and take a look at what all came with it.
So when you pick up your glasses from SVS Vision, they give you a nice cleaning kit. Here are some of the wipes that you can pack with you on the go. Also comes with this nice spray. Here's a nice size cleaning cloth that they give you for your glasses. Alright, and this is just a nice pamphlet that they give you with SVS Vision. Thank you has some instructions listed and all their guarantees that they have in the store. So if you have any questions, they're pretty much summed up in this nice little card that they give you. Alright, the main event. Here's the Ray-Ban case. Nice hard case with the Ray-Ban logo. And this color is black. So then they give you the transition certification card to register your transition lenses. Again, these have the extra active transition lens in the frame. Again, there's a number there that helps you register them. Then this card here is the SVS Vision lens certification that they come with the clear lens and the eye-def lenses. You can go to the website and check out all the different symbols, but there's eye-def for UV, eye-def for high definition. They have the IntelliLens. A lot of different options incorporated into the eye-def lenses. Let's take a look here just at the inside of this case. Again, there's the official Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. I'm not going to open that. I'll set that aside for now. All right, here are the frames. 5228. They have a black and white interior, but when you put them on, you can't tell at all. So just nice little added design to it, and that writing inside, the black and white writing says Ray-Ban all the way around, and like a camo. Again, this is just the inside of the frames. Again, this is authentic Ray-Ban. If your glasses don't have this on the inside, you may want to question if they are authentic Ray-Ban. Again, they're pretty simple frames on the outside. Again, the inside design is nice, but overall they're pretty simple frame. That is like a beveled Ray-Ban on the side that comes out a little bit, so I do like that. These are matte black on the outside. The inside of the frame is shiny, but again, the outside of the frame is matte black, which is very nice. This is everything in the entire box.
I got both of my glasses from SBS Vision. I do know they're nationwide, so there's probably a location in your area. One thing I like about SBS Vision is when I went into the shop, everyone was so nice. Even with COVID going on, they took all the proper precautions for the second pair of glasses that I got. I always felt safe in the store, and they made me feel at home. Again, these are my first pair of glasses. I did not know anything about glass shopping, eyeglasses shopping, and they made me feel like I was an expert at it with their input and expertise. So I highly recommend SBS Vision, no matter where you're watching this in the United States. I'm not sure if they're worldwide, but I do know that they are within the nationwide of United States. Again, they sat down with me. I tried on several different pair of glasses. Once I found the ones that I liked, they actually called the whole staff over to do a fashion show, and they were really nice. They were like, yes, no, maybe, and we kept working it down till we got the glasses that I found. So again, I really appreciate the crew at SBS Vision, Warren, Michigan. Again, thanks so much. So, and here they are. I think they look good. I think they fit the description of casual, something I can wear around the house. The one thing that I did get, as you saw in the unboxing, are transition lenses. Both of my glasses are the extra active, so they're already somewhat tinted. When I go outside, then they get very tinted. For me, you might find that they don't get dark enough for you. For me, they work just fine. I'm outside, I went golfing, I had these on, didn't squint, didn't feel like there was eye strain. Again, I have sensitive eyes. That's why I do go with the extra active, because a lot of light does bother my vision. But these were very well. I will say the only thing I am not enthused with this pair of glasses is that when I clean my Gucci glasses, no noise, I'm just cleaning the lens. They feel very nice and secure. I don't use a lot of pressure. No matter what I do with these frames, and it might be these frames that when I take them off, when I move them, when I clean them, they sound like they're about to break. So it may just be Ray-Ban. If you know and you can shed any light on that, please comment down below and let me know. But again, that's the only thing I'm fearful of when I'm cleaning these glasses, because they're not Gucci, they're not Prada, but they're not cheap. So when I'm rubbing them, I feel like they may break. That is the only con I have with these frames. They're the right amount of thickness with the right amount of style. Again, I like the Ray-Ban arms here that are thicker for eyeglasses, because again, I'm using these for eyeglasses on the Saturday after work, as well as, you know, if I go to a ball game on Saturday, or if I'm out fishing or I'm doing something, I want these to be able to be comfortable in that situation. And again, I got the Gucci's right before COVID, so I thought I was going to be out. I dress business casual for work every single day. I'm out in the field with sales, and thought they'd be a really nice addition to my wardrobe, and they look really classy. But again, I don't need that just sitting around, you know, binge watching Netflix, or, you know, doing what I do during quarantine. So, and I thought, if that relates to quarantine, what about the weekends? What about vacation? So I did opt into a second pair. Well, that's it. It was a short video this week, but I did want to give you something. Remember, 1K, that's our magic number. I'm doing a giveaway. From this week on, I have a lot of product review that I'm going to be doing. Quick shout out to Avia Mike, DX Pickle, Izzy Griff. All the names will be in the description. Those are 3 people who are near and dear to my heart. Check out their channel. If you have children, tell them to check out their channel. They all do something a little bit different. But again, those are my guys, so I wanted to give them a shout out. I probably will give them a shout out every week just to build up their YouTube page. Again, I don't push them to do YouTube, so it's pretty awesome that, creativity is just flowing, in the family. So again, if you have children, we have Roblox, we have Bloxburg, we have drum videos, everything that you might like for your children. Everything they do is clean and family friendly, so check it out. But thanks again, and we'll see you guys at the next video.